Thank you very much. It's time to learn about the sound of letters G and letter N in the combination and K in words. The sound of letters G and letter N in the combination and K is Therefore, the letter G is not sounded in the combination and G, while the letter K gets its sounds in the combination and K. We shall be learning how to pronounce the words with the letters G and K. Note, letters G are not a blend most times but a digraph, while letters K are a blend. Words with the letters G: king, long, bring, sing, thing. Words with the letters K: silk, bank, drink, think, ink. Exceptional words with the letters G. Note, in these words, letters G are a blend, not a digraph. Bangle, angle, jungle, jingle, single. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching and learning.